Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning computer class. Today, class, we will complete exercise of chapter number 2. We will complete exercise of chapter number 2. First exercise that is given in your chapter number 2 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. We will complete, students, today this exercise. Question number 1. First fill in the blanks which is given. Internet is also known as. Do you know, class, what we can fill here? Internet is also known as dash. In dash we can fill. What is the right answer? You will see, class. The right answer is, do you know? Tell me, class. Right answer is net. Is it clear? Internet is also known as net. Second fill in the blanks is the communication dash are the hardware and software that helps you in communication. Again I am repeating question. The communication are the hardware and software that help you in communication. What we can fill here in this dash? What is the right answer? See, the right answer is, do you know, class? Right answer is tools. Means the communication tools are the hardware and software that help you in communication. Is it clear? Now, question number 3 means third fill in the blanks. Question is, the server stores information to be used by. The server stores information to be used by. Here dash. In this dash, what we will fill? The right answer is, students, right answer is, tell me, right answer is clients. I am repeating again question. The server stores information to be used by clients. Is it clear? Question number 4 means fill in the blanks number 4. Question number 4 is every computer and network exchange information as per some rules called. I am repeating again question. Next, fill in the blanks. Every computer and network exchange information as per some rules called dash. What we can fill here? Right answer is, do you know, class? What is the right answer? The right answer is protocol. Protocol is a set of rules for communication. So protocol we can fill here. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks number 5. The World Wide Web is one of the services available on the net which provides facility of presenting the documents presented by other dash users. What we can fill here, students? Question is understood by you? The World Wide Web is one of the services available on the net which provides facility of presenting the documents presented by other dash users. Right answer is internet. Other internet users. Now question number 6. Do you know class? Question number 6. Fill in the blanks. Number 6 is a dash means a particular web server or a part of web server where information is stored. I am repeating again. A dash means a particular web server or a part of web server where information is stored. The right answer is website. A website means a particular web server or part of a web server where information is stored. Number 7. 7 number fill in the blanks is the World Wide Web protocol is known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Again question I am repeating. The World Wide Web protocol is known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or means here we can fill short form of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So you can guess easily what we can fill. The right answer is HTTP, means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the short form of the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. Question number 8. Do you know class? 8 number is URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, and it is a universal address of the documents and other resources on the dash. Do you know? Other resources on the dash. What we can fill in this dash? Right answer is World Wide Web. We can fill www, means World Wide Web. Is it clear? Now next question. Question number 9 means fill in the blanks. Number 9. The abbreviation of electronic mail is. I am repeating again question. The abbreviation of electronic mail is dash. Do you know class? What we can fill in this dash? The right answer is, tell me, abbreviation of electronic mail is, students, email. The abbreviation of electronic mail is email. Understood class? Yes, this is your fill in the blanks has been completed. Tomorrow I will explain, students, true, false and match the following. In next class means tomorrow I will explain true false and match the following. Yes. Today today's class is over.